How to schedule direct messages on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In that case, tap on update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is simply open it. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, swipe left and then head over to your chat section. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to schedule the direct message. Once you're in their inbox, now simply type in the messages that you want to schedule. Once you're done, now what you want to do is tap and hold on this icon, and this interface will pop up on your screen. From here, you can schedule this message on the specific date that you want to. Once you have selected the date, now you can choose a specific time. Once you have set the time and date, now click on send at the bottom of the screen. And there you go, the message has been scheduled. Now once it hits the time and date that you have scheduled, the message will send automatically to this person. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can schedule messages on Instagram DMs. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.